QuickBooks Bumps and Benefits, Tips and Tricks. I'm Steve Resuta, CPA, telling you about one of my favorite tools to help you save taxes and increase profits, QuickBooks. Today we're going to go with a big bump, especially if you've come from desktop to the QuickBooks Online environment, and that's printing checks. If you're in your home base, there's a Create Checks button. You can click in there to get checks, or you can go right here to the New and Create Checks. That's the first tip there, just to try and get you in here to actually find where the checks are and how to write them out. Today I will write out a check to PPL, our electric company, and QuickBooks memorizes it just like it did in desktop on online. So you can just put your dollar amount in and look down here. Your account number memorizes, the utilities category memorizes, and we can save it. And now here's where we're going to go into. Right on the screen you'll see a print check button. You can go right into the print check section. I have two checks here from PP&L right now to look at and print. There's a print preview button, and right here you'll see the check, and you'll see one of our bumps is they have menu after menu, and also the menus don't memorize your printer. If you happen to be printing to the bypass or don't have your checks in yet, you have to actually manually make it do it. So here's all we do. We hit the print button again, and I have to go into the more settings button. Then down below, a shortcut Control-Shift-Print. We can click in. We're not done yet. We gotta now go into more settings. We're still not done. Now we have to go hit the paper. In this case, I want to go to my manual feed, and this way it'll give me time to get over there and get the check in. Hit print, and I can put my check in and print it. And after we're done and we proof it out or hit the button to make the check print, go over and check it if it's fine. Now it'll let me, just like it did in desktop, ask whether it printed correctly, or if it didn't print correctly, we can start over and put it back into the queue to go fix the check, and so on, or put a new check in there if it didn't print right or it printed out on regular paper. In this case, my check did print correctly, so I am all done. So a lot of extra hoops and a lot of extra windows to go through, but if you've struggled going from desktop to online or just on online right now and you want to print out checks to your vendors or to anyone else, these are some quick ways to do it, but also just watch the video again and check out all the different menus you have to go through to now print a check. I'll run through it one more time. I'll put the PPL in, put a new dollar amount in. Again, it memorizes my account number, the category, save it. Don't want to hit save and close, or you got to go find the check again. And I can go right here and print checks. And from here, the print preview, again, all the extra windows you got to hit. Then you got to hit print again. Now, we got to hit more settings. Then we have to hit Control-Shift-Print, and we're still not done. We still have to now go to more settings and over to paper and quality and put it onto the manual feed or onto a separate tray. If you have a separate tray set up for checks, it does not memorize it like it did in the past. And we close it out, and it just again asks us if it printed correctly. If it didn't print correctly, it'll tell you check 2503 is not correct. And it'll go on to the next check for printing it, so that will put that check back into the queue. And for one last trick, to get to your checks, you can also go to the new menu, checks, and to print checks, you can go to the new menu and down here to print checks. All different ways to get to the menu, and we can just pick and choose what check we want to print. That's all we have today for QuickBooks Bumps and Benefits, Tips and Tricks. Printing out checks and going through all the different windows to now to print the checks to your printer, to the bypass, or to the correct drawer. See you next time, and if you like me, please subscribe. Thank you.